Welcome to AARTIS Education. Today we are going to learn about practice set 19. This is the second part of practice set 19. In this part, we are going to solve 4, 5, 6 and 7 number question from practice set 19. Let's start to solve. The number of customers who came to a juice center during 1 week is given in the table below. Make two different bar graphs to show this data. In this question, we have to draw two bar graphs. The scale is given to us is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers, and the second graph we have to use the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. The types of juice are orange, pineapple, apple, mango and pomegranate. And number of customers are 50, 30, 25, 65 and 10 respectively. So here we are going to draw a graph for 10 customers. First, we are using a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers, and the name of our graph is soap juice. And customers. Or you can write here number of customers also. Now here for this data we are going to use a scale. Scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. Let's draw our x and y axis. X-axis and y-axis. The point of intersection is O. On x-axis we are going to write types of juice that are orange. Let's mark scale on our y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. So we are going to write here the table of 10 in equal distance, that is 1 centimeter up to 70, because here our bigger number is 65. So we are going to mark scale up to 70, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. This one is 80. Okay. Now for orange the number of customers were 50. Here is 50. Just mark here points and drag them to the x-axis. For pineapple, the data is 30. Look, here it is. Just make a points there and drag them to the x-axis. Then apple, 25 customers for apple. Here is 20 and we have to count these 5 faint lines for 25. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. make a mark and drag them to the x-axis. Then for mango, 65 customers there for mango. So 60 is here, and just count 5 lines for 65. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here it is 65. Drag them to the x-axis. Look here. Then pomegranate, there were 10 customers. So 10 is here. The bar graph is complete now for our question number 4. First sub question, that we are taking a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. Now we are going to take a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers in next graph. For it, question 4's second question is taking scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. The name of our graph will be remain same. Just draw x and y axis. The point of intersection is O. Right here x and here y. The name of our graph is types of juice and customers, or number of customers, and the scale we are going to use here 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. Right here on y-axis our scale, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Here the bigger number is 65 in the given data. So we have to extend our y-axis. Let's extend it first. 50, 55, 60, then 65, right here 70. Okay. Now on x-axis we are going to write the types of juice, that are orange, or orange. There were 50 customers. Mark here points and drag them to the x-axis. Then the data is given for pineapple is 30. Just make here points and drag them to the x-axis. Leave equal distance between two graphs. I leave here 1 centimeter. You can leave 0.5 centimeter also. Then for apple, the customers were 25. Here is 20 and 25 is here. So just draw here. A bar for 25. Then for mango, 65 customers are there. For mango juice, here is 65. Look here. Here it is. Just drag them, the points, to the x-axis on the above side of mango. Look here. Now for our last data is 10 and 10 is here. Just draw a bar for it. Our graph is complete now. Look. Look. So this is our graph. By taking a scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. So now question number 5. The question is, students planted trees in 5 villages of Sangli district. Make a bar graph of this data. Scale is given to us is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 trees, and here they gives us name of place and number of trees planted. Now here I draw x and y axis and I place here our scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 trees. The name of our graph is place and number of trees. So the first place is Dudgaon, then Bagni. Second one is Bagni. Then the third one is Samdoli. Next place is Ashta. Next is Kautepiran. Now we are going to draw a graph for it. The number of trees planted in Dudgaon, 500. Here it is 500. Draw a bar for it. Then for Bagni, trees planted are 350. So just here is 300. Now when we count 5 lines, it becomes 50 lines. It becomes 50. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's a 50 now. So here is our 350. Just drag lines to the x-axis and join these 2 points. Now the next number of trees planted, 600 for Samdoli. Here is 600. Make points there and draw them to the x-axis. Now for Ashta, number of trees were 420. This is 400, and for 20 we have to count 2 faint lines, 1 and 2. Here make mark and just drag it to the x-axis. Like this. Then Kautipiran 540. So there were, here is 500 and we are going to count 4 lines for 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here. Here it is 540. Draw a bar for 8. The solution for our question 5 is complete now. Now turn towards to 6th question. The question is, Yashwant gives different amounts of time as shown below to different exercises he does during the week. Draw a bar graph to show the details of his schedule using an appropriate scale. Here they give us type of exercises and the time for it: running, yogasans, cycling, mountaineering, badminton. These are the types of exercises, and the time given is 35 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour and 10 minutes, 1.5 hours and 45 minutes. They doesn't give us scale. They tell us to use appropriate scale for it. First of all, we are going to convert these hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here 60 plus 10 is equal to 70 minutes now. Just write here 70 minutes. Then 1.5 hours. So 1 hour has 60 minutes and half hour has 60 half is 30 minutes. So here in minutes there are 90 minutes for mountaineering and 45 minutes for badminton. Now while drawing a bar graph, we are going to consider 35 minutes, 50 minutes, 70 minutes, 90 minutes and 45 minutes. For choosing an appropriate scale, just find out the table from which these numbers are fallen. We can choose here once on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 minutes, or also we can choose here 1 centimeter is equal to 5 minutes. But when we take this scale, our graph is too long, So we are going to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 minutes. So let's draw the graph for 6th question. Draw first x and y axis. The point of intersection is O. Here is x axis and this one is y axis. This is the Yashwant's exercise. So we are giving a name. Yashwant's exercise details. And the scale we are going to use here, scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 minutes. Now write here the type of exercises on x-axis: running, then yogasans. You can write here in short yoga. Then cycling, then mountaineering, and badminton. Now write here the scale: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. For running, he spent 35 minutes. So let's find out where is 35. Here is 30 and we are going to count 5 faint lines for it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here it is 35. Let's draw a bar for it. Then for yoga, 50 minutes. Here is 50. Just make a mark here and drag it to the x-axis. Now for cycling, he spent 70 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes is equal to 70 minutes. How we calculate it already? So make a mark on 70 and then drag here lines for our bar. Now for mountaineering, he spent 90 minutes. Here is 90 and let's leave 1 centimeter place between two graphs, cycling and mountaineering, and place here marks. Then join them to our x-axis. Now for badminton, he spent 45 minutes. So here is 40 and 45s are here. So let's drag it to the x-axis. This is the graph for our 6th question. Now the 7th question they gives us is, write the names of 4 of your classmates. Besides each name, write his or her weight in kilograms. Enter this data in a table like the above and make a bar graph. For each, we have to take the names of our classmates, any 4 names, and write his or her weight in kilograms. I show you here, for example, how to draw a bar graph for this question. First of all, we have to make first question for it, means table of data for it. Suppose my friends' name are A, B, C, D. So for question number 7, I draw here a table of data of my classmates. The name of my classmates I write here A, B, C and G, and weights of their 30, 35, 20 and 27. You can write your friend's name also. So our graph's name is name of classmates and their weights. For it, I am going to take a scale. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilogram, weights in kilograms. So I am going to write here. So I write here kilogram. I draw here x-axis and y-axis, give names and the point of intersection, that is O. Then I write here name of classmates, and on y-axis we are going to take our scale, that is 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Here the weights of my friends are 30, 35, 20 and 27. So A's weight is 30. Where is 30? Find out. Here it is. Mark 2 points here and just drag them to the x-axis. The next is B. B's weight is 35. So for 35, I am going to count 5 faint lines above 30. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I have to draw a bar for B's weight. Here I am going to draw bar for B's weight. Here it is. Now for C, C's weight is 20. 20 is here. Just make a mark. Leave here 1 centimeter place and drag our marks to the x-axis. Here our graph is complete for C's weight. Now D's weight is 27. So for 27, I have to count 7 faint lines above 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here it is. Thus our 7th question is complete. This is the solution for our practice set 19. Let's practice it very well. Use a pencil for graph. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.